Hi. This hand came up in the elimination round of the BC Jain Memorial IMP Pairs tournament that was held on Grail Bridge last weekend. It is an interesting hand in two or three different respects. So we'll go through each idea one by one. I opened one heart, showing 5 cards heart and up to 15 points. LHO overcalled one spade, partner doubled this. Most people play as negative double. East raised to 2 spade. Now I jumped to 4 diamond and partner raised to 5 diamond. Club ace was laid. We shifted to spade king and continued spades. Opponents have already taken 2 tricks. You need all the rest of the tricks, and diamond king jack are still out, and that is the trump. So in what way can you make all those tricks? In what way can you avoid a trump loses? So that is the first problem, and perhaps a simple one at that. There are 2 possibilities. You do have ace 10 9. So one possibility is diamond king coming down singleton. You want it to be with east in that case, because then you will finish through diamond jack on the next round. Other possibility is diamond jack coming down singleton from west, in which case you would need to pin the diamond jack by playing diamond queen from dummy. And since West had overcalled one spade, less empty spots, vacant spots, on the basis of percentages, I chose to play for jack singleton with West. So for that, of course, I had to ruff a heart in dummy. And now I played queen of diamond, small, and ran it. Lo and behold, jack came down. So the first task was over. Of course, one more job was left. The heart queen was still out. If hearts were 3-3, I didn't need to ruff, but a ruff would be safe too. But if hearts were 4-2, I needed to ruff a heart, and in that case I needed to find east with 4-carded heart. So I played a diamond next. Won the diamond 10 as expected. Ruffed a heart. Hearts came down 3-3. Got back to hand with a spade ruff. Cashed ace of diamonds and then claimed. I follow this discipline. I take out trumps from the field before claiming. That is always a good practice to follow, because then the law is on your side. If you haven't removed all trumps, then the opponents can actually pin you down to a certain line of play that is predicated on you not figuring out that all trumps were removed. So it is best to be safe than sorry. Best to remove trumps and then claim. I try to follow that practice, which is what I did here. Now I did say that there were a couple of other points of interest on this deal. What were they? Okay. Have a look at all the 4 hands now. And look at West's overcall one spade. So West overcalled one spade ahead of 2 club, although he held 4 spades and 5 clubs. I'm all for this one spade overcall. I quite like it, because it keeps one no trump by east-west on focus. It's quite important in match point events, but even in IMP events, even otherwise, in team games too. Consider one no trump as a line in the sand. If you feel that your side could do well in one no trump, you should consider a 4-card overcall at one level, no matter what the opening is. But on the other hand, if you feel that your LHO can make better use of that one note run bid, then you are welcome to cross one note run. But always remember, one note run is an important line in the sand, and keep that in mind when thinking of your choices in overcalling or passing over the one level over. There is one more point, 4 diamond and then north race to 5 diamond. I would have liked not to have some club ace or diamond king for that raise. I would be slightly wary of raising without any ace, but then vulnerable, it's 10 IMPs, and if you do think that you have some kind of chance, any chance, then maybe a 4 diamond, a raise of 4 diamond is worth considering too. Although I, of course, wouldn't have easily opted for it. So that was my third takeaway from the deal. It's a simple deal, but there are points to note, there are things to learn. I hope you liked this video. I will be posting a lot of bridge content on this Demikuma Bridge Academy YouTube channel. So please subscribe to the channel. After subscribing, please click on the bell icon so that you get notifications when new content is posted. Also, please post your comments and questions in the space below the video. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Finally, if you like a video, please click on the like button. That makes me feel good. Thank you very much. Bye.